Greetings. Welcome to the MERN Taskmaster demo. This is a recreation of my Taskmaster web app using the MERN stack. I created this project because I wanted to take on the challenge of learning a new web development paradigm. Let's go ahead and attempt to log in with a fake email and password. If we make a mistake, an appropriate error message will appear just below the login form. As you can see, because I have the wrong email here and it's incomplete, we get user not found error. Let's go ahead and log in for real. Upon logging in, we are taken to the main page of Taskmaster. If you look below the navigation, we see the calendar widget with the month and year displayed along with these arrow buttons to change the month and the year with the option to go 10 years back or 10 years forward, along with a plus button to expose the days of the month. Currently it is September 13th, 2024. If I log in tomorrow, September 14th, 2024 will be highlighted. Let's go ahead and collapse that. And down to the left, we will find the main task widget with the current day of the week displayed along with the current date. Let's go ahead and use this field to create a new task. If I try to create an empty task, we will get an error that tells us to please fill out the field. Let's go ahead and create a real task. By default, the task completion status will be incomplete as indicated by the red circle. If we go ahead and refresh the page, we see that that task persists across refreshes because it is being fetched from the back end. Now, let's go to a different month and year. Let's say October of 2025, and we'll say October 13th. Let's go ahead and create another task. I will be sweeping floors next year on October 13th. And again, you see that the default status of the task is incomplete as indicated by the red circle. Let's go ahead and change the task status to being complete. Now let's refresh the page and it takes us back to our first task because the current date is September 13th, 2024. Let's have a look at that task in the future. And we see that the status update persisted across refreshes because it is being fetched from the back end. Now let's attempt to rename the task. If we try to rename the task to something that's empty, we get a warning that tells us to please fill out the field. And again, refresh the page. Let's find that task on that day. And we see that the change persisted because it is being fetched from the back end. If we want to rename the task but then change our minds, we can either hit escape or this back arrow, and it doesn't change the state of the task. Now let's go ahead and refresh the page. And we can delete tasks permanently from the back end using this X button over on the far right. And that is the MERN Taskmaster demo.